A trial in a civil suit over a former Shasta County Supervisor's proposed gun range in Millville got underway today in Shasta County Court. And Action News Now reporter Blake Mayfield was there at the trial. He joins us now live. So Blake, what did you learn there in the courtroom today?
Alan, Shasta County Judge Benjamin Hanna said he's going to submit a written ruling in a few weeks to both parties, deciding if Shasta County needs to submit an environmental impact report before former District 4 Supervisor Patrick Jones can go forward with building his new gun range out in Millville. To begin the proceedings on Tuesday, Jones' attorney, Sean Nordham, decided to substitute himself out, letting Jones represent himself in court. Back in October 2023, Shasta County Supervisors approved 3-1, with Jones recusing himself, that Jones could go ahead with building a gun range on property he owns in the Millville area. Jones originally bought a 152-acre parcel back in 2010 and has been wanting to turn it into a gun range ever since. The people of Anderson and Millville filed their lawsuit against Shasta County and the Board of Supervisors last year after the county failed to produce an environmental impact report on the potential gun range. Jones says due to the county conducting a mitigated negative declaration on the property, he doesn't need to do an EIR. But residents who helped file the lawsuit say the range will have huge impacts on things like nearby waterways, bird nests, eagles, and noise. Judge Hanna did not rule on the matter today, citing thousands of pages of documents related to the project that he needs to read through first. He added that it's too important of an issue to make a quick determination on.
I didn't rush this project. I didn't hide this project. I was very deliberate to move forward in a way that would protect the environment. Protecting the environment is important to me. I'm a conservationist.
I feel like Patrick may have used his power to kind of bypass that and get the MND instead. But doing an EIR would take time to do the proper studies and what kind of impact it will have on the environment and the animals that are out here.
Public safety is one of them. You know, errant bullets. We don't think the berms are, the site plan is adequate to prevent bullets from escaping the property or not hitting the berm.
Jones acknowledged Tuesday that out of the 152 acres of land he wants to build on, about 7 acres of wildlife would be affected. He says wildlife like eagles, toads, and other bird species will not be disturbed by bullets being fired. Judge Hanna says he'll issue a written ruling to both parties within the coming weeks. At least one Millville resident, Tracy, who you just heard from there, says that she and her family are actually going to consider moving if this gun range gets built. She said that she doesn't want any bullets hitting her cattle, her house, and of course, her family. Reporting live in downtown Reading, I'm Blake Mayfield, Action News Now.
Thank you, Blake. Next court date in this case has not been scheduled.